Fanda, Kolkata. I am your Amin sir. I hope you are well and you are enjoying my videos. Now, today I am going to discuss about 10 smart phrases of comparison. Okay? Comparison is a word that compares, and it is a beautiful word. It is a beautiful word for daily usage. You can use it for spoken as well as written English. Okay, let us come to the discussion. First point. Generally, the Negro is as black as peach. Kuchkuche kalo, as black as peach. Kuchkuche kalo ke bole? সাধারণত নিগ্রো জাতিটা হচ্ছে কুচকুচে কালো, as black as peach. তাহলে নিগ্রোদের সঙ্গে the color of the Negroes is compared with a peach. Peach is very black, dark in color. Seeing the police, his face was as pale as ghost. চোরকে দেখে তার মুখটা ফ্যাকাশে হয়ে গেছিল. As pale as ghost. Beautiful comparison phrases. The deserted house looks as silent as grave. পরিত্যক্ত বাড়িটা নিস্তব্ধ শ্মশানের মতো মনে হচ্ছে. As silent as graves মানে শ্মশান. The child's cheek is as soft as butter. শিশুটির গাল মাখনের মতো নরম. Next, number 5. The sum is as plain as a pipe staff. অঙ্কটি জলের মতো সোজা. As a pipe staff. As a pipe staff মানে জলের মতো. As easy as water. Next, number 6. The land seems as dry as bone. জমিটা খুটখুটে শক্ত. As bone is dry. Okay, I have already given you 6 examples of the beautiful phrases of comparison. Now I am giving you 4 phrases for practice, and by doing it, you will send it reply on comment box. Number 1, as heavy as lead. শিশের মতো শক্ত, ভারী. As light as cork. Cork মানে হচ্ছে cork, ছিপি বলতে পারো, ছিপির মতো, শোলার মতো পাতলা. As sharp as needle. ছুঁচের মতো ধারালো. As rich as Jew. Jew মানে হচ্ছে ইহুদিরা কুবের খুব. They are rich very. তো কোনো লোক যদি কৃপণ হয়, ক্লোজ ফিস্টেড হয়, as rich as Jew. কুবেরের মতো ধনী. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed my video, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon of my English Fanda Kolkata. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.